You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is n greater than 1.25. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by negative 0.8. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is n greater than 1.25.